Okay, I just made a video where this RAK22, I touched it, dang. 2270 sticker tracker is sending information to this one. This one you can see is sending to one you can't see. At the moment it printed out some LoRaWAN information. Eventually it's going to print out LoRa P2P information. We are on the Maker 100 Eco course I've made. You can search GitHub Maker 100. You get to my original course with some Arduinos. This is the Maker 100 Eco version. There we go. So we're in LoRa P2P. Let's see if it's, and it's sending the name ABBA. And my students are supposed to send me their names, figuring out, 41 was capital A, 62 small b, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this one running. I'm going to get out of here, but I know it's on the, it's on that board that you can't see. It's just over there. And I'm going to go back into my, here we go. 58 is this is the code that I got loaded on the one that you can't see. 60 is the code, the RAK hack code I've got loaded. This one, that's interesting. That link didn't work. I know exactly where it is. It is in my RAK folder, RAK sketches, and in the RAK2270 folder. And I have a live demo, which you are welcome to use. It's probably better to use it on your own spot. I'm just going to pick the 9th one. It's probably the same as the main one. Do this. Oh, okay, I'll do this. Okay, so what I want to do is connect, and here's the problem. I want to connect to the correct board, which was COM4. So there we go, COM4. Connected. Now, what this is, it says allow first letter converts to an image. So on this one, so what I'm doing, I'm sending from two RAK2270 sticker trackers, and we're in P2P mode. So let's send the same command with ABBA, and look what happens. It loaded up a picture. And the first letter is code to tell me which pictures. Here are the pictures I've got ready, A, B, F. And then it sent the rest of it. So let's get that code again, but put an A, a capital A in the front first. And there you go. Now you get, since it's doing two A's, you actually get the spelling of the word. Before we switch, no, we've already switched to LoRaWAN, so we have 30 seconds to wait. I'm going to try to print one of the other ones. I want a B first, capital B, which is going to be 42. And we can write the program where you actually write the words you want to write, but at the moment we're just doing base stuff. So we're waiting for it to switch. There we go. Let's try this. It saw it and it gave a different picture. And this is still saying the ABBA command. It's saying when it arrived, what time of day, that kind of stuff. Now, what are we doing here? We have connected a RAK2270 with using webSerial with a web page, and that web page can be anywhere. And it's presenting information on my computer about any RAK2270 stickers in the areas sending the right codes. Now, sure, you might be downtown somewhere and they're sending a bunch of stuff, but unless the first letter is a capital A, B, F, R, N, V, or X, and let's try that. Let's try A, B, C. Let's send a C first. Make sure we're back onto LoRa P2P. And see what happens. It should end up here in the throwaway section. It's already grabbed some stuff. I might fix up this web page. It's just a static web page. Anyone can work on it. So let's send that. It had a C, and it didn't show up here because it didn't have the right letter. It showed up here in the trash area. Showed up a little bit interesting here. It kind of, I'm going to send that again if I can, just to see what happens. Are we in LoRaWAN? Oh, we flip back to LoRaWAN. Anyway, what we have here is a web page communicating with these long-range LoRa sticker trackers, and you could have tons of them. You could have multiple sticker trackers communicating with this one web page. If you think that's interesting, awesome. Moving on.